Eastern Greene County. Already under a severe thunderstorm. Oh, I can't see it now.
Moving east at 35 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for
Jeez! Another one? Crazy.
Wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Flying in debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Brodhead, Monticello, Albany, Judah, and Attica. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room and a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for South Central Wisconsin.